You want to be in my intro? Come on, babies. Come here, babies. Come here. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of Gazabellz, aka Vlogmas. Deuce, babies. I can't pet you. I gotta film an intro right now. So today is National Cookie Day, so I am about to bake some Christmas cookies. I found a couple of recipes on Pinterest. I'm going to try one out today. And I also need to do my nails because they're getting quite long. And then also this nail right here is breaking off. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like kind of breaking off. So I need to get that fixed because I don't want to have a repeat of last year. So yeah, let's go bake some cookies. So this is a very easy recipe that I found. I am only going to be using these 4 ingredients, which is sugar cookie dough, Oreos, white chocolate, and then I'm going to use 1 or maybe 2 of the peppermint candy canes.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
Okay, so right now we are about to try a wine advent calendar. This is the advent calendar that we're going to be trying.
Alright, let's do is celebrate any occasion. Enjoy with 12 wines from the USA.
Okay, so you're gonna hold it up. No, angle it. There we go. And then I'm going to...
Don't break your nail.
Oh my god. Shut up. Oh, okay, so you're gonna have to
look
punch.
at all of that. Such a nice view. I get to see everything. Yo, this is how it was last year. Where do we start at?
Actually, I think this is a little bit more easier than the one last year.
Yeah, last year we couldn't fit our hands in it. Was it this one? Do we start here?
Yeah, you can start from right there. In the camera.
Oh, alright.
Ooh.
Pinot Noir.
So this is what it looks like. It's Unscripted Journey. Pinot Noir, California.
Oh, goodness.
It actually doesn't smell that bad. It smells just like red wine.
Yeah. Yeah. I thought Pinot Noirs were white wine.
That's Pinot Grigio.
Oh, yeah.
Pinot Grigio.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's try it.
You gotta choose it. Oh, it's not that bad. This was, I feel like this would go good with sangria. You know, like a sangria with it.
Mm-hmm.
Put some vodka and Fireball.
Do they put Fireball and sangria?
Sometimes, yeah, I've seen it before,
Oh,
and get like a cinnamon flavor in it.
Oh.
Alright, so we would just down it?
Well, do you think Dad would like this? Actually, no, he's picky with his wine. So you just down it like that?
Yeah.
So in my group, I have mentioned to the team.
I think it's broken, Jazmine.
Jazmine!
Yeah, don't blame that on me.
That was on you!
That was on you.
That was
it was already
me.
broken. You set me up.
He broke my
No,
crown.
Dad, don't you dare blame that on me.
Okay, I'm gonna try
You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Or you want me down that one for you?
No, okay. I'm gonna try to.
Oh, here we go. Into fun. Why you drink so loud?
Okay, let's open the second one.
Here we go. Got you, Dad.
So this is High 7 Seas Cabernet
Cabernet Sauvignon.
Sauvignon. It's very bitter.
Yeah, I like the other one better.
It's very bitter.
It's not bad though. It's actually pretty smooth. This is a way better box than we got last year. I don't know where you got that other box from.
Where does this come from?
Or Advent.
wine, advent calendar.
I'll take a
pretty
sip.
expensive advent calendar too.
That don't mean that the wine is expensive. I'll try a sip.
Hey, you stop. Come on, you've had worse. There ain't no Lodi wine.
Sorry. It's drinkable.
My package from Chew came, and unfortunately it did not come in a cute packaging. Like, this is just bleh. So this will be featured in my Black Friday haul once I get one more order from Chew and then my order from Misguided. I don't know where that order is. Misguided honestly takes forever. And then I need to fold my clothes and put them away. So let's do that.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So since I did my nails, I thought it would be nice if I put little designs on them. So I got these nail stickers off of Amazon. I have like a little Pinterest board of like nail designs, and I've been looking at it recently, and I kind of want to like do those type of designs, but they look pretty complicated. So I just found these stickers on Amazon. I think it was like $8 for a lot of sheets, I would say, but this is the first sheet. It just has like a bunch of lines and a bunch of curves. This design is like very astrology with the stars. Then we have this one. I might do this one because I kind of like some of the designs on this sticker sheet. So I'm done with applying the nail stickers on my nails. I definitely forgot how challenging it is to put these on my nails. Like some of the stickers are a little bit off-centered, but you can't tell from far away, you know? You can just see that they're stunning. But this is what they look like up close. Like if you look very, very up close, you can kind of see a little bit of the lining on the sticker. I tried to have the same design for both nails, but I realized after doing my left hand that some of the designs that I used like only had one, it didn't have multiple. So I did kind of have to switch up on the other side a little bit, just a tad bit. Yeah, this is just a nice way to kind of zhuzh up my nails for now. I'm not going to put like a top coat on or anything like that because I don't want it to actually ruin the nail polish if I want to take these off. Especially since I didn't do a great job applying it. It's like a little bit off-centered, so I do want to have the option to take it off. But yeah, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Paalam!